Imagine holding the very best photography gear of 2026, cameras and lenses that pro and enthusiast photographers actually voted for after testing them in the real world. Today we're diving into the top winners from the Amateur Photographer Awards 2026. The tools that will change how you shoot. Let's kick things off with a camera that stole the show. First up, Consumer Camera of the Year. The Fujifilm X E5. This compact mirrorless isn't just a crowd favorite because it looks cool, though let's be honest, that retro rangefinder vibe definitely helps. What really sets it apart is the image quality and performance Fujifilm packed into such a small body. The X E5 sports a 40 megapixel X-Trans sensor and, for the first time in the XE series, in-body image stabilization, perfect for sharper handheld shots in low light. Add Fujifilm's vibrant film simulations, plus the ability to save your own custom presets. And this camera feels made for creative storytellers who want stunning images without lugging heavy gear. No wonder it also snagged Product of the Year, because it's not just great gear, it's genuinely fun to use. Next, the camera that enthusiasts fell in love with, the Nikon Z5 II. A top choice for aspiring pros and serious hobbyists, it offers full-frame performance at an accessible price. With a bright, high-resolution viewfinder, fully articulating touchscreen, and Nikon's reliable autofocus, it's ready for anything. Dual card slots and up to 15 frames per second continuous shooting make it ideal for landscapes or fast action. Its in-body stabilization delivers up to 7.5 stops of shake reduction. Sharper images even when your shutter speed drops. For anyone craving pro-level features without breaking the bank, this was a clear favorite. Moving into the premium segment, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Premium Camera of the Year. This is for shooters who demand power and versatility, fast autofocus, superb image quality, and a feature set that handles everything from high-speed sports to cinematic video. A 33 megapixel sensor, up to 40 frames per second, continuous shooting with the electronic shutter, and smooth in-body stabilization make it a beast. Video specs are equally impressive. 7K RAW internal recording, 4K at 120 frames per second, perfect for creators wanting cinematic motion straight from the camera. No surprise it also won the People's Choice Award. Now let's talk lenses. Starting with Prime Lens of the Year, the Sigma 135mm f 1.4 DG Art. A masterpiece for portraits and anyone chasing creamy, cinematic bokeh. Its wide f1.4 aperture pulls in tons of light, perfect for low light shooting, and the subject separation makes your photos pop. Yes, it's big, but that's because it delivers stunning sharpness and gorgeous bokeh that rivals much more expensive lenses. Finally, Zoom Lens of the Year, Sony's FE 50-150mm f2.GM. This lens upgrades classic telephoto zooms, a bright f2 aperture across the entire range, delivering excellent low-light performance and soft, beautiful backgrounds. Fast, silent autofocus and rock-solid build make it a favorite for weddings, events, and wildlife photography. So those are some of 2026's true standouts. Cameras and lenses voted for by photographers, tested in the real world. Whether you're chasing the perfect everyday camera with the Fujifilm X E5, leveling up with the Canon EOS R6 Mark III, or crafting jaw-dropping portraits with the Sigma 135mm, this year's winners give you tools to inspire your best creative work. And if you're serious about better photos, this gear isn't just impressive on paper, it's fun to use. If you enjoyed this roundup, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which winner you'd add to your own camera bag. Let's keep shooting.